Hey everyone, want to add a simple damage to your game? Let's add it in under 2 minutes. Let's go back in our character blueprint. Here I have already prepared a debug key event along with the hit points, max HP, min HP, and damage value float variables so we can test the damage. All we have to do here is set hit points. Pull a clamp from its hit points pin. Clamp just clamps the value between min and max. For us, min will be 0 and max will be 100. For value, we can subtract the damage value from the total hit points and plug it in value. That's it. Now whenever this key is pressed, the player will reflect damage. Additionally, you can make a branch for the whole logic. In this example, I have made two branches, so once we hit 0 HP, we can only print "You gone already, dummy," and another branch at the end which says "You are gone." That is all for today, folks. Save this and follow for more Unreal in 2 minutes tutorials.